Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Then again 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Then 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. Okay, but this answer is not correct because according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parentheses, then we have to solve exponent, then we have to solve multiplication and division. Multiplication and division have same priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Then we have to solve addition and subtraction also have same priority, and we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So now let's solve this expression correctly. So first priority is parenthesis. So first we have to solve 7 minus 4. Okay. Therefore 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now we have to solve multiplication. The second priority is multiplication. Okay. Therefore 7 minus 4 multiplied 3 is equal to 12. Now 7 minus 12 is equal to minus 5. So the correct answer is minus 5. Okay. Thank you.